And welcome to the video version of how to make a class reunion name tag with a conference badge. You should have your attendee list in an Excel file, for example. In this tutorial, we're going to be working with different columns. So we're going to have the first name, the last name, the nickname, the email, also the current city. If you go back to the blog post here, you can see that we have added an attendee picture. So if that's something that you want to do, this is a very important part of the process. Let's do it here together. So what you have to do in order to add an attendee picture is you need to name the column this way. So it's image underscore URL. It has to be in this exact format in order for the system to recognize that this is an image. So so once you have set up the column name, we want to start adding the attendee's picture. So let's say we have already scanned the pictures of our classmates, and we're going to be adding the URLs here. So let's work with the photo of Willis Stevens. So we go to the site imgur. It's imgur.com, and then you click on new post, and then we're going to be looking for the file of the picture that we scanned from the yearbook or that we found somewhere else. So in this case, that's the name of my file, Class Reunion Photo 1. We're going to upload it, and then here what we're going to do is do a right click and then copy image address. This is very important as well because some people copy the URL from the address bar, but that's not the correct one. You need to go to the image, do a right click, and then do copy image address. So once you've done that, you go back to your spreadsheet, and then you paste the image address in this column. So just to make this faster, I'm going to be copying the same image to all of our attendees. In your case, of course, you're going to have different URLs because you're going to have different photos for each of your attendees. So once you've done that, we are going to be saving this. So the next step is to go to conferencebadge.com, and then we can click on login, and in case you have already created an account, you can just log in. In case you haven't, you can sign up here. It's very easy. So here this is your conference badge dashboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new event from Excel. So we click here. The first step is to upload the attendee list. That's the Excel file that we've been working on. So we click here, and then we select the file, and we're going to create we're going to name it Class Reunion Badges. Then you enter the event's start date. Let's say it's on September the 15th, and it ends on the 15th as well. It's just a one-day event. Click continue. Here we're going to match the spreadsheet columns with your attendees information. Here you have you can choose what product you want. So we have 3 lines of products. The first one is PDF badges. That's a PDF document that you print at home. Then we have the adhesive badges. These badges we print them for you, and then we ship them, and then you can peel off each badge and then stick it to your clothing. And then we have the hanging badges. That is paper inserted in a plastic holder. In this case, we're going to go for the adhesive badges. They're a good fit for a class reunion. And we click on continue, and then here we can choose the theme that we want to start with. In this case, we want this one because it's the class reunion template. So we click it, and boom, everything is almost ready. So here we have our first name, we have our last name, we have our nickname. Here you can change the class. The only thing missing here is the attendee picture. So in order to add it to the design, what you need to do is click on image and then select the second option, attendee picture. And there it is. So we're going to move it here. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. And that's it. Right now, all of my attendees have the same picture. But that's because I entered the same URL for all of my attendees. But in your case, you're going to be seeing different pictures for all of your attendees. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helps you, and if not, you can always contact us for help. Have a good day. Bye-bye.